Hello, my name is Laura Cristina Bonillo Espina. I am a student of the National Open and Distance University. This is the task 7, talking about activities and plans. Writing. What are your plans for the weekend? I'm going to watch movies with my family. On Saturday, we're going to eat the lunch. On Saturdays, we are going to go the shore and traveling with my parents. I'm going to go the farm to see the animals and being surrounded by nature. What is your job? Study routine. After lunch, I do university work. I attend with conference, and Wednesday, I have a virtual meeting of the Senate. What sports do you practice? Describe the sport. I rarely practice sport, but when I like to ride my bike and run close to my house. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? I would like to travel to USA because it has always been my dream to be in this country. Also, in this country I can have work opportunities. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.